Shalom, welcome back. So let's get into this recipe. You're going to need to cut up some rotisserie chicken, and to that you're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of spicy chili crisp, and you're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of regular soy sauce. You're going to give this a quick mix, and if you're wondering where I got the chili crisp, that is going to be at Walmart. By the way, if you haven't liked, shared, and also subscribed to this channel, I would advise you to do so. Reasons being, I'm going to be posting a lot of Sabbath meals. So let's get right into this video again. Once you've mixed that, go ahead and toss it over to the side. And then now you're going to bring in another bowl. Now we're going to assemble the salad, which you are going to be using regular cabbage. And with this, you're just going to cut this down into bite sizes. From there, what we're going to be doing is adding in some kale. That's right. This salad is jam-packed with a lot of healthy greenery. Trust me, you will not only just be eating good, but you'll be feeling good at the same time. And I just used a little bit of kale, and then I cut up 2 regular green onions, and you're also going to toss that in the salad. And don't forget the cilantro. Make sure that you cut up your cilantro and add that into your salad as well. Kind of saved you the time from you watching me cut all those things up, but in the meantime, give that a quick mix. Now let's get into the dressing. This dressing is super simple but super tasty. Right here I've minced garlic, and onion powder. Only 1 tablespoon. If you're making more, double the size. And right here I have some organic garlic paste and organic ginger paste. Doesn't necessarily need to be organic, but I would advise you to get the paste. And right here is the secret ingredient. It's teriyaki sauce. If you're wondering where to get this, you can get this at Walmart as well too. And then once you've done all that, get you some honey. Now with the teriyaki sauce, I used 1/2 cup. You're more welcome to add a little more. And as far as the honey, you'll gauge it based on your sweetness. I used at least about 2, maybe 1.5 tablespoons. And with this rice vinegar here, I only used about a good tablespoon of that. After that, give it a quick mix, okay? And we're almost done. We're just going to be adding 1/2 cup of regular light olive oil. That makes this dressing come together. And then once you're done, that's it. Now it's just time to assemble. So I'm going to add my salad down below, add my chicken on top. Don't forget your wontons. Make sure you add your wontons on top of this, including crushed or sliced almonds. Okay? When I say the almonds go very far with this recipe, it does. So make sure that you add a little sprinkle of those almonds that you see me doing right now, and then top it off with that dressing. And make sure you serve it to your family, because I know they will enjoy it. From my house to your house, shalom. I hope you enjoy. With that, stay strong, stay healthy, stay in the spirit, and I will see you in the next video. Shalom.